I love to exfoliate from time to time, and I have been using the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish for some time now. Let me start with first giving you the description of the product. It's an exfoliating body scrub that's supposed to exfoliate the dead skin from the body, and the creaminess is supposed to deeply nourish and restore the skin's natural nutrients. And yes, like most Dove products, this too is formulated with 1/4 moisturizing cream. It does have a beautiful whipped texture. I have been testing this out for about 6 months now, and it does a decent job at exfoliating, but I did not find it to be moisturizing at all. I think it does an okay job as a scrub. I mean, the price you pay is the quality you would get with this. Once you're out from the shower, you would need to moisturize your body with an intensive moisturizer. I love the initial fragrance, but the smell does not last long. Secondly, I know most scrubs come in jars and maybe sometimes in tubes, but recently I feel tubes are better as a better option, or maybe a pump just because it's hygienic. And I feel like every time I try to use this scrub from the jar, water keeps getting into it and it feels and looks just gross. Anyway, overall, it's an okay drugstore body scrub. It does the job of scrubbing the dead skin from my body, but leaves the skin dry, to which you would need to follow up, like I said, with a good moisturizer. They do come in different fragrances. The one that I have here is the pomegranate and shea. They do have a blue one as well, which is the macadamia and rice smell. The green is kiwi seeds and cool aloe, and the purple, which added very recently, is the crushed lavender and coconut milk. Priced at $6. I'm also going to be adding the ingredient list here, and it does come in a 10-ounce tub. I got mine from Amazon, but you can also find it on Walmart and Target. And also want to make a mention that it isn't a cruelty-free company. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next. Bye!